Broken a nail right before an event? Don't cut them all down just yet. This tiny break can ruin your whole manicure, unless you know this trick. Meet Lexan Gel from Bluesky. It's designed to fix, fill, sculpt, smooth, and extend nails in just 5 seconds. The thick, self-leveling formula repairs chips, cracks, and snags, while creating a strong, natural-looking finish. Now to the fix. Make sure to prep your nail before applying Lexan by filing. Prep your cuticles so the Lexan adheres properly. Buff over the break to smooth and remove dust from the nail with a cleanser wipe. Apply base coat and cure for 1 minute. Apply a small amount of Lexan gel over the affected nail, then cure under your lamp for just 5 seconds. That's it. Strong, smooth, and ready for your gel color. No glue. No emergency salon appointment. Just a fast, professional-looking repair. Save this for your next nail emergency, and try Lexan Gel for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail tutorials, and press the bell to receive notifications of all our uploads.